Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to teach you how you can set up tier prices to Magento by using Copy. Let's say you have some products that you want to add a tier price to, and there are two ways to add tier prices in Copy. There's one way that requires you to add them manually by hand, but today we're going to take a look at a more advanced way which lets you add tier prices to multiple products at the same time. Right, here's one of our demo products, and currently there's no tier price added, so we're going to change that right now. Okay, so we start off with an empty sheet and we choose Copy and hit load products. Once everything is loaded, we select the product, category or the attribute set that we want to work with. In this case, we use the attribute set bags as an example again. I will zoom in so things are easier to see. Okay, so the next step is to find the tier price column, so hit Ctrl F to search and type in tier, hit enter, here it is. Now, if we click anywhere inside the tier price column, you can see that the Copy task pane appears. And if we open up all groups, for example, you can see that this is where we would add tier prices manually, but that's not what we want to do. If we click this split tiers to columns button, you can see that the task pane changes and we can select all groups, for example, and down here we can set the amount of tiers that we want to add. So in this example, I'm going to use 2. Right down here, you have always display tiers as columns. That just means if this is checked and the next time you load your products, you don't have just this tier price column, you have the split view that you're going to see right now. I will leave this checked, and now with 2 tiers selected, we can hit the split button. And as you can see, it will create a quantity and a price for each of the tiers that we selected. So I choose 2, so I will have 4 new columns. So the next step is to set up a quantity that has to be reached for the first tier price to be activated. So let's say 4 as an example, and we want to apply this to all the products. So double click the little square in the bottom right corner. And for the first price, we want to use a function. So type in equals round, and you want to select the original price. And you want to multiply it by the amount. Let's say you want the first tier to be 90% of the original price. So we type in 0,9 and hit semicolon and the amount of decimal places that you want to display, because this is a round function. So in this case, I just type in 0, closing bracket, and hit enter. And now you can see that the first tier price is 90% of the original price. So extend the function again. Let's say for the second tier we want to use a quantity of 8. Extend it as well. And for the second price we can actually use the first function. So copy it out. Make sure you hit escape so the function doesn't get disrupted, and paste it in here. And of course we want to change the percentage. So let's say maybe 80% of the original price, hit enter. And it works perfectly. And now you can just hit save products, wait for it to load, and we can take a look at the Magento front end. Okay, it has finished loading. So if we jump over and refresh the page, you can see that the tier prices that we just set up are now displayed on your shop.